What up, lads? Let's make mug cake. So for this mug cake, we're gonna need chocolate chips, cocoa powder, neutral oil, sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, and some nut milk, any one of your preference, right? So we have our mug in here. My recipe here on the side. 2 tablespoons of purpose flour. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1, 2. Then we had to add salt. It's gonna be a pinch of salt. Beautiful. 1 quart of baking powder. What else are we missing here? That's it, because these are all the dries. So we just add everything here with a fork. We mix all together. Now we're gonna add the liquids. So we're gonna need oil, which is 1 tablespoon. Three tablespoons of non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk in here. 1, 2, 3. Vanilla extract. Beautiful. Now we just give a mix. So this is the consistency, guys, okay? Leave it here. Before going to the microwave, I'm gonna get some chocolate chips and sprinkle here at the top, like that. Now this is going to the microwave. It's gonna depend of the power of your microwave, right? Mine here I'm gonna use for 1 minute. That's the way I like it. And after, like, when you use these recipes every day and you know how long you leave in the microwave, you can leave it longer or leave it less on the microwave, so you get different textures on the cake. So here we go, microwave, mug inside. One minute. After 1 minute, look at this. Unbelievable. It has grown. You guys remember it was more or less in here and it has doubled in size. It's hot. This is beautiful. Oh. As I said it, Depending on how you like it, you can leave it longer on the microwave, right? But for me, see how it's completely cooked. That's the way I like it. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Serious guys, this is so easy and it's so delicious. Oh my god. Easiest cake you're gonna do in your life ever. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy cooking.